When you enter the room, this is how the front area looks. So over here is the washroom, and I'll show you that after. And then over here is really large closets, and I love that they're mirrored, so it's perfect for when you're getting ready. And inside this first area has a safe, and then there are some drawers. And then up here is the iron, extra pillows, and some hangers. And then on the other side, there are some hangers as well. And then as you enter the room, there's an area that you can put your luggage, and you can hang stuff as well. There's the ironing board, and I forgot to mention inside the closet there are 2 umbrellas. And then over here is a desk. And in this first part, it has a little mini fridge, and this gets restocked daily. And then you always get these really nice size bottles of water. And there's the TV. And then over here is the bed, which is very nice and spacious. You can either get a king size bed or 2 singles. So we got the singles. And then that's just a really cute design there that she did it with the towels. And then over here is just a sitting area. And then beside each of the beds, you have a little nightstand, so you can store more items in there. And then here's the balcony. You can hang things to dry after you're done at the pool or the beach. It has a nice view. We have a view of the front and the golf course and the water. It's so beautiful. And then now I'll just show you the bathroom. Here's how the washroom looks. This is this side. And over here, the counter. It's very spacious. And there is a blow dryer. And then you also get pool towels, which is awesome. And you can also just change that when you're done using that by the pool and I think by the beach area. And then over here, there's a tub and the shower. It's a great size. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.